In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate my funnel with Clickfunnel. If you've already built out your funnel, but people still can't access it, chances are it's not actually live yet. Activating your funnel is what makes it available to real visitors so they can go through your pages, opt in, or make a purchase. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your account and what to click so you can confidently switch your funnel from draft to live mode. First, you need to access your funnel settings. There are two simple ways to get there, and you can use whichever feels more natural for you. If you're already inside the funnel editor, looking at your funnel workflow, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This takes you directly to the settings page for the funnel you're currently working on, without needing to leave the editor. If you're not in the editor, or you prefer to work from the main area of your account, you can start from the funnels dashboard instead. From there, you'll see a list of all your funnels. Find the specific funnel you want to activate, then look just to the side of its name for a small settings icon, usually shown as a gear. Click that gear icon, and it will open the same funnel settings page, just from a different starting point. Both methods land you in exactly the same place, so choose whatever is easiest based on where you are in your workflow. Once you're on the funnel settings page, the next step is to enable Live Mode. Take a moment to scroll through this page and locate the section labeled Live Mode. This is typically presented as a toggle switch. When the toggle is off, your funnel is essentially in a draft or inactive state. That means people won't be able to use it, even if they have the link. To activate the funnel, simply click the Live Mode toggle to turn it on. When it's on, you'll usually see a visual change, like the switch changing color or sliding to the opposite side. That's your confirmation that live mode is enabled. After you've turned it on, make sure you save any changes on the page if a save button is visible. Once that's done, your funnel is officially active and ready for traffic, testing, and real visitors.